In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in Prezi. Adding hyperlinks is a great way to enrich your presentations and connect your audience with additional resources or related content, making your work more interactive and engaging. To get started, open your presentation within the Prezi editor. If you haven't done so already, log into your Prezi account and choose the presentation you'd like to enhance with hyperlinks. Once you have your presentation open, the next thing you'll want to do is decide which piece of text or object you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a specific word, a phrase, or even a visual element like an image or icon that you believe will complement your presentation with an external link. Once you've identified the text or object, you'll need to select it. If it's text, simply click and drag your mouse over the portion you wish to link. If it's an object, just click on it once to select it. You'll notice that once the item is selected, editing options will appear around it. This is your cue that you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's incorporate the hyperlink. Look for the hyperlink icon in the toolbar. The toolbar should either be at the top of your screen or may appear near the selected text or object, depending on your interface. The icon typically looks like a chain link, representing the connection you're about to make between your presentation and the internet. Once you've clicked on the hyperlink icon, a field will appear prompting you to paste the URL you want to link to. Make sure you have the correct URL copied beforehand and paste it into the designated field. It's essential that this URL is accurate, because this is the link your audience will follow when interacting with your presentation. After pasting the URL, confirm and apply the hyperlink to the selected text or object. Usually, this entails clicking a button labeled Apply or something similar, which will finalize the action. At this point, your hyperlink is successfully integrated into your Prezi presentation. Before you wrap up, it's important to test the link in present mode. Click the Present or Preview button to simulate what your audience will experience. Navigate to the hyperlink and click on it to ensure it redirects to the correct web address. This step is crucial to catch any potential errors and guarantee a seamless presentation experience. And that's how you add hyperlinks in Prezi. By following these steps, you can enrich your presentations with valuable content from the web, creating a more dynamic and informative experience for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.